Today I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the parking brake as well as how to turn off the parking brake in this particular Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you one way how to do it, okay? So I'm inside of the vehicle. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And in order to turn on the parking brake, what I'll do is, my vehicle is currently in park. I'm stationary. I'm gonna go down here, and you see this right here. It says pull on. Now I make it a habit to always press the brake before I do all of this with the brake pressed down, even though I'm stagnant, centered. I see this right here, and it says there's a P right here, and that P stands for parking brake. Now, to turn it on, it says pull on. So I'm gonna take my fingers, put it right there, go right there, and then pull it. And when I do it, the parking brake is engaged. And how you can tell that it's engaged is you look at its finger. You didn't get that. But anyway, you see that it says parking brake right there. Okay, you see that it says brake right there. That is indicative that the parking brake is on. Now, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. In order to turn it off, what you're going to do is, my vehicle is currently in park, stationary. I go ahead and press the brake. Now, it's imperative that you press the brake and your vehicle is not moving. All right. So the brake is pressed, and I'll go right here, and I pulled it to go on. There's indicative that it's on by seeing this light right here. That's another indicator that the parking brake is on. Turn it off. My foot is on the brake, foot pedal brake. I'm going to take this and push this. And when I push this, it disengages. You see that light went off down there. And also on the instrument panel, it went off as well. Now that is one way on the general idea of how to turn on and off the parking brake. For more instructions, read your owner's manual on how to do this. And I hope this guide has given you some ideas on how to turn off and on the parking brake in your particular Jeep Grand Cherokee. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.